Hello, Jane Cleland here. The question is, how do I know when I'm supposed to start a new chapter? The answer, broadly, is when you change time frame or you move to a new place. Time, place. Now, it's not always so simple a decision, though, and the specific question that was asked shows you the complexity. The question was that the book starts chapter 1 in a train station with apparitions. The next scene moves to a spirit-laden bed and breakfast. Should those be separate chapters? Well, on the face of it, yes, right? Because it's a different place and maybe a different time. But it's not so clear-cut, because what if one of the apparitions tags along and wants to see what the protagonist is up to in that spirit-laden bed and breakfast? Well, now all of a sudden, there's a through line. It isn't definitely a different time. And I might keep those as separate scenes in the same place. In fact, I may connect it with a transitional phrase or sentence or two, showing the protagonist leaving the train station, deciding to go to the bed and breakfast, and showing the apparition tagging along. That would really make it clearly one chapter. I think the broad answer is there's no one way to do it. This is a structural question, and you, the author, have to make those decisions, but you need to be consistent throughout the story, not just within a chapter. I know you can do it. If this tip had value for you, would you do something for me? Would you like it? Would you share it? Would you subscribe to the channel? I'd be so appreciative. Thank you.